Hello everyone, the guy fire alarm here, and today we're going to be reviewing a new fire alarm package I got recently. This is an Edwards 894B-001. Now, I haven't unboxed this, I haven't tested it yet, so without further ado, let's unbox it. So inside, you're greeted with this strobe. Yes, this strobe here. I think this is very rare, and not a lot of collectors have this. I don't know who else have it. I think only one, and that's it. It's all I can recall. There's maybe 2 or 3 people who have this now. But yeah, this is the alarm itself. Here's the back of it, the tag. The candela rating and such is not that bright at all, obviously. They got 1 to 3 flash rate per second. And here you got their instruction manual and operation manual. And then here you get the screws where you put this on a single gang box back. So that's pretty much all the essentials that comes with this. And let me open the manual really quick. Here's the manual. Pause if you want to read all of this. This is from 1984, by the way. It should be on this side. There it is. Right here. 84. Pause if you want to read any of this. And yeah, that's pretty much all the instruction manual on this. And this alarm looks like one of those alarms I have. Give me a second, I'll go get it. Here we go. This is my Edwards 895B-001. Basically a dapper horn version. They have both of those same logo, and it would fit with a system like this. So yeah, that's the overview of the device. Do I recommend doing this? If you could, I would go for it. For the first alarm, no, because these tend to be a little pricey, and yeah. Now, without further ado, let's test the device. Alright, let's test the device. 3, 2, 1. And this thing flashes pretty fast a little bit. Alright, now that concludes the overview and testing of my Edward 894B-001. I hope you all have a great day, and see you in the next one.